Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, so if you want to fix this problem, so turn on Bluetooth mode. After turn on Bluetooth mode, turn off this Bluetooth mode. So you will turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. You will see problem is not solved. Again, click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on More Connectivity options. After click on More Connectivity option, scroll down and click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset Settings, enter your phone pin, click on Next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, and again click on Settings app. Scroll down to, and click on additional setting. Scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and you will see turn off focus desktop mode. Turn off this button and again turn on this button to turn on or turn off force desktop mode from here. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.